I think that it has been a fantastic workshop because that people were working a lot, and of course on some tables I can see that it's more difficult than on other places, but it helps a lot when they can see that the energy is so high. And I think that people has worked a lot, and I think they have got so many good ideas. I think it's fantastic because I've made this workshop many times in Denmark, and it's fantastic in a way to see that we are, when we come through many layers, we are working in the same way, and that we can contact each other and communicate with each other. It's very, very nice. It was a very good.
And did you notice the difference between maybe French students and students at home in Denmark?
I think that the French students are more polite than the Danish. Yes. Wow. and in a way, I think the first day, all the teachers, all these guests were going to the restaurant and was eating, and then I saw we should start in the classroom 2 o'clock, but it was 2:30, and I was scared and said we had to go back. No, it's no problem. And when I was here, there was a lot of students, and it was not a problem. And yes, they are more polite, but they are working hard, and maybe, no, I think it's in a way the same.
In a way the same?
In a way the same, yes.
Okay. Students are students.
Students are students, and if we get the contact, then in a way it's the same. Okay. But it has been very interesting to come to another place and talk in another, talk English together and hear a lot of friends. Yes, it's good.
Peut-être qu'elle nous explique le travail qu'elle vous a demandé ici, le travail du workshop, le décrire le workshop qu'elle vous a demandé.
D'accord. Ok. Je commence.
Vas-y,
If you could just describe the subject, why you gave us this subject and what it was exactly. Just a
yes.
brief description.
Yes, I would like to work unplugged, and I would like to work without computer. I was scared to be standing near these computers and talk ideas with a computer. I don't like it, and I think that it's very, very important to work in that way because you are using your whole body and your whole energy, and not only the hand and the head. And I can feel it. I can feel it when this people are they get such a lot of energy, and there's a reason to why people want to go to that kind of schools. It's because they like to draw, they like to use colors, they like to use all these things, and I'm trying to go to the basic. I'm trying to in a way to work as a child. And then we make structures with this 10 centimeters, and when we put it on the wall, put it on the white cardboard, we can take it away from ourselves and look at it as other persons, and I think this is important to do it in that way.
So it was a very personal work.
It is very personal work because in a way we try to take away all ideas, to take away what you like, to really try to have only your energy, and I think we can see it, and it is very, very different when you are going from one table to another table. It is very, very different.
Et peut-être une dernière question sur est-ce qu'elle you learn something, it's finished today, you're the teacher, and maybe you can learn something for a future, your future work. It's an experience. What about this experience for you?
But I think that every time when we are doing it,
Speak
no,
to
excuse, yeah.
So,
Yeah. tu veux lui poser la question, c'est pas là.
So, well, the same question.
Yes.
What did you learn for yourself?
I learn something every time, and I see new things every time, but in the same way, it's a research. It's research for looking, and the feeling that from the first day to the last day, your eyes are better. You really look, and you are looking for details. You are looking for small things. And I think it's funny when I'm standing with a student, they show me something, and sometimes it's a motive, it's a picture, and then suddenly we're going down, and suddenly we see small things, and it's like a sport, I'm sure maybe I can't put words on what I'm learning, but every time I'm seeing something new and so on, I will learn. And I use it when I am going to the next place. It was funny, downstairs I was asked for which poster I liked mostly. And downstairs there was a poster with an ice bear. Yes, an ice bear, an animal, yes, an ice bear. And there was quite a lot of dark drawing around of this ice bear. And the paper was crossed together and was hanging on the wall. And it was so funny because, in a way, I liked this poster so much because of this very black drawing, because I'm sure it was hanging on the wall. Because of this, because it was more black that the paper could have. It must be in the wall too.
See.
And it was very beautiful. And I had to go and try to touch it. Was it right or was it not right? I knew it was printed, but it was my feeling.
Okay.
And this poster shows that you can use this work for posters.
For posters.
Yes.
This is true.
Yeah. I think so.
Good.